Hi, in this video I want to show you how to render multiple cameras from your Blender scene easily with B-renderon. For that I have prepared this file with a very simple scene with multiple cameras. I go ahead and add it to the queue in frames mode, in this case rendering only the first frame. I go to the cameras panel, and in order to be able to select from the list the cameras we want to render, I first have to click Read Cameras from Blend. And now we can select the cameras we want to render. And of course, for the output files, we need some way to differentiate them so they don't override themselves. And for that, there's this output file naming panel. By default, this original plus camera output naming preset will be selected, which uses whatever path and file name you set up in your blend file, plus an underscore and each camera's name. If we want more control, we can click Output Naming Options to build our own naming pattern. So let's say, for example, we want to add the camera name to the path instead of the file name. We can drag and drop the token like this. Let's add a slash here to separate the camera name and delete the camera name from the file name. And if we want to save this as a preset, we will click here this checkbox, and then we will have to set up a name for the preset, but in this case let's just click OK, and everything is looking fine here, so let's click OK here also. And as you can see, now we have all these cameras added as different items in the queue, and the output path name is applied according to the pattern we created. So now I can click render, and as you can see, the different folders with the renders are being created here. Okay, now that everything is rendered, we can check these renders here and see that each camera was rendered properly. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thank you for watching.